moly! Wow! Pray, pray, pray for Fruitopia. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, we just had the first hail for the season. Oh, it's so wet and cold. Oh my gosh. Check it out. The hail just fell like 5 minutes ago. I didn't come out quick enough. It's melted now, but we got a blast from it seems like from the west. There's the Rollinia, still fine, and the Canistel. Oh man, that scared the living daylights out of me. There's all the other plants, the bananas. Oh, you can see the hail all along all the trees here. It's currently 7:30, 8 p.m. Just after sunset it came hard. Lasted for about 10 minutes. I was just concerned about all the young tropicals. Wow, the leaf feels like ice. Temperature is currently 10 Celsius, which is 50 Fahrenheit. But everything looks fine. Just quickly looking. Black sapote, jabuticaba, custard apple, white sapote, and longan, and Brazilian cherry. Yeah, a lot of rain, a lot of hail. Pretty scary when you're you know, trying to do tropical fruit trees in a temperate climate. Yep, the Yacon got hit a few holes. Nothing major by the hail. Right. I'll be pulling those out soon anyway. Like lemongrass and sugar cane and bananas up there. Not a problem. My main concern was these young guys that I left out. There was no room for them anywhere in pots. Where are they? These ones. I could bring them under the pergola. There's room there, but I just didn't want to carry a dozen trees, especially this big heavy one which I just potted up. These little ones are easy, but yeah, there's like a dozen of them, and I'd rather take a gamble. They said small hail in the forecast. That wasn't small, that was major. That was major hail. Yeah, there's the ice cream banana, star fruit, not a problem. They weren't affected at all. The passion fruit vines at the back there, not a problem. I don't see any problems anywhere actually. But the second concern I had was the greenhouse, because this is not polycarbonate. It's just a toy. This is a toy greenhouse. It's meant to be temporal or temporal use. But look, it hasn't melted yet. The hail hasn't melted, guys. It's exactly the same size as my perlite. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look big, but it sure sounded big on the roof of the house. So anyway, everything is safe in here. Oh, there you go, there's some more there, all along the fence. Yeah, the back. Yep, winter has officially begun. Told you guys, it's 5 months long. It doesn't end next month. It starts in April, and it goes all the way till early October. 6 months, not 5 months. Did I say 5 months? Make that 6 months. Up and down. It's not like this every day. We still get some nice weather in between, but you just don't know when you'll get hail like we just did. It's a surprise. Surprise! And there's more rain forecast. Of course, it's been raining all day. Alright, let's go and have a look at the other greenhouses. Before we do that, here's the ice cream bean seedlings. Completely unaffected by the frosty hail. Champions. True champions. If only all the sooks from the tropics were this hardy as the ice cream bean. Beautiful. Look at that. And here's some more unprotected ice cream bean seedlings up in under the hail. And grumichama seedlings, which I germinated out in the open. Not a problem. Chocolate pudding fruit, black sapote, wasn't affected at all. Just got wet. Look at that. From the hail, nada. Tough as nails, as they say. Same with the prickly pear back there. And in here with the mangoes, yeah, they didn't even know what was going on. Yeah, thanks a lot, Dad, for giving us priority in the polycarbonate greenhouse. What's the temperature in here? Hang on. What does it say? 11, 12? 11 or 12? Yeah, so about 50, 52 Fahrenheit. Good night. Oh yeah, it's Babako. And of course this greenhouse here, which I'm thinking of getting a heater for, that's doing its thing also. But I did make one change. I pulled out one tree from here. Can you guess which one? Can you guys guess which one I pulled out of this one? Quick guess. I've got the new avocado there protected too in the corner, the new bacon that I got from the market. Yeah, he's well there in the corner out of the hail and the wind. Okay guys, no more guesses. This is the only plant that's gonna sleep with us in the house tonight. His first night indoors, and I might keep him in here until further notice. I'm trying to do everything naturally without cheating, bringing them in the house. And if you haven't guessed yet, this is the purple mangosteen. I just can't risk it. It's already had a bit of damage there and damage there and damage there, damage almost everywhere in the last month. And his new leaves in the middle have turned yellow when they should be lush green, right? So I'm not gonna put him under any more stress. And that's the temperature in the house right now, 21.2 Celsius, and out in the greenhouse where he came from, it's 10.5. I've got a sensor out there, an outdoor thermometer. So 10 with his friends out there. 21 in here with us. See that? And there's the humidity, 52% in the house, 76% outdoors in the greenhouse. And for our American friends, that's the Fahrenheit. 51 in the greenhouse, 70 in the house. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're in Melbourne, keep warm and look after your sooks. See you from the next video.